Okay, when we put the two buttons feeding together head to head, pushing forward, and from this top plate and the bottom seats, they need to be adjusting properly thickness, the gaps. So we need to see these gaps is not going to be riding on the top. We have to adjust, give the gaps, let them raise up a little bit, and just one, like half of the thickness of the button higher, so that leave this plate and the button not too much gaps. Okay, so from here you can see they are not feeding one riding on the other top. If no folding together but feeding freely, then everything will be smoothly forward. You see, we pushing forward, pushing back. It's very smoothly. No riding on the other top, but moving very smoothly. Okay, so many buttons together. Okay, pushing and pushing forward. No one riding on the other top, but also very smoothly, running smoothly. That will be perfect. So if need to adjusting the gaps, these two screws, releasing these two screws, adjusting these two screws, and for this plate, up and down adjusting. And this part, these screws, you need to see the bottom. You see the bottom, these two screws releasing, then adjusting these screws to adjusting the height for the buttons, for the seats adjusting. Okay, and this one, these two buttons releasing and then adjusting the height of the screws. And these two is the same. You see the screws, fixing screws here. So releasing these screws and then adjusting these two hexagon screws, and can be adjusting the height. All right. The height adjusting, actually we can see, you see the button and the top plate approximately between the 0.5 to 1 millimeters gaps above the buttons. This will give the enough space to the buttons, but not too much gaps. Too much gaps, then one will be jump above the other button, then it's jamming over there. Or the two small gaps also with the resistance and it cannot feed in easily.